Hello everyone, and I thought it'd be good to post a video this time about discounting and present value of future amounts. So I'm going to do this question here from the end of module questions from chapter 4, or module 4, sorry. Is $800 to be received 10 years from now discounted to the present at 10%? So what is the present value of that? So firstly, I have a calculator emulator here, so I'm going to hopefully show you how to do it on a calculator as I do it, as well as typing out the formula. So we're looking for the present value, and I'm going to type this formula out first because I've just taken a screenshot of what it will look like on your formula, which equals future value outside 1 divided by 1 plus the interest rate to the power of the number of periods, and then double brackets. So I've put those brackets in there just so we can enter it into the calculator under the same format. So we're going to have equals present value equals 800 outside 1 divided by 1 plus the interest rate is 0.1 for 10% to the power of 10 and closing off our brackets. So putting this into our calculator, I'm going to come across here so we can actually enter it in. So we're going to go 800 outside 1 divided by 1.1, so 1 plus 0.1 for the interest rate, to the power of 10. And from here, we don't have to actually add those last brackets. We can just press the equal sign, which gives us a value of $308.43. So the present value of $800 in 10 years of time, discounted to the present at 10%, is $308.43. All right, thanks for tuning in. Please don't forget to post any questions on the announcement, or if you have any other review questions that you would like reviewed, I look forward to answering them. Thank you.